If your cat used to cuddle with you but suddenly stops, it can be confusing and a bit worrying. Cats can change their behavior for many reasons. Understanding why your cat is not cuddling as much can help you support them better and strengthen your bond. If your cat is avoiding cuddles, it might be due to changes in their environment that are causing stress. Cats are very sensitive to their surroundings, and even small disruptions, like a new pet or a change in routine, can make them feel insecure. When they feel uncomfortable, they may hide in a quiet spot to feel safe. To help your cat, give them time to adjust and create a calm, stable environment where they can relax and feel secure. If your cat was not properly trained to enjoy cuddling when they were a kitten, they might not feel comfortable with it as an adult. Kittens need to be gently handled to get comfortable with cuddles. If they were not, they may prefer their space and not seek out closeness. Just be patient and let them come to you when ready. If your cat is not cuddling, it could be due to health problems like pain or discomfort. Cats often hide illness, so they may avoid touch if they are not feeling well. A vet checkup can help rule out any health problems. As cats get older, they often become more independent and may avoid cuddling. Older cats can experience changes in their energy levels or health, making them prefer quiet time alone. It is normal for them to seek solitude more as they age, but they may still show affection in their own way. If your cat is stressed, they may avoid cuddling as a way to feel safe. Signs of stress include changes in eating, drinking, or litter box habits, and they may not want physical contact if it feels overwhelming. When cats are anxious, they tend to withdraw and seek solitude. Creating a calm, secure environment can help reduce their stress, and using a calming collar may also help. Sentry calming collars for cats are scientifically proven to reduce stress, excessive meowing, and unwanted behaviors like marking or scratching. Safe and effective, when used as directed, they offer a natural, soothing solution to help your cat feel more relaxed and secure in stressful situations. Be patient and give your cat space. With time and understanding, they may come back for cuddles when they feel comfortable.